Hi guys, this is just a quick video to orient you to our Canvas class. So right now I'm in the student view and this should be what you see when you open our class up in Canvas. Here is a link to the most recent announcements, which basically give you more detailed directions for each week. Orientation, you can click begin here, and week 1. A lot of the other weeks, they're not open yet, so if you were to click on them, they would just not go anywhere. You can also get this to the same information by clicking on modules. So in modules, you'll see the home page and then orientation. This will take you through about 4 different tabbed pages to give you more detailed information about the class. And then you can click here and go to the syllabus. All this information is what you need to complete the syllabus quiz, which is due on Wednesday. Let me just make sure that's correct. Thursday. I'm giving you guys until Thursday to complete that. Okay. So week 1 overview. This is basically your assignments for the week, a checklist for the week. This is where I would go first on Monday morning for each week to see what's due. So Thursday, complete check-in discussion and complete the syllabus quiz. And then on Sunday, we have 2 additional assignments. I'll be posting some more instructions on those either later today or tomorrow. Writers Group Introduction Slide. This is a collaborative assignment. And then you also have a reading assignment and like a reading journal due on Sunday. So let's go back to the modules and I'll show you what that looks like within week 1. Here you have your syllabus quiz. It's basically open book just to show me that you've read through and understood the syllabus. Check-in discussion, you can do this today. Just basically tell us your name, a little bit about yourself, why you're taking this class, what you're excited about. So those are first 2 assignments. This is your reading. It's a link to a poem. For each of your reading assignments, I would really recommend finding a way to print them out. Printing them out will allow you to write on them, create a 3-ringed binder, or get a folder where you can keep all your readings, because you'll need to continue to refer back to them throughout the semester, and it'll also be a good way for you to keep track of them for the writing assignments. This is your reading journal, needs to be completed on Sunday, and then this is your collaborative writing assignment, also due on Sunday, and I'll post some additional information about that later this week. Hope this helps you find everything that you need. Again, that's in modules, orientation, and week 1, and I will be in touch later today with more information.